Welcome to Gripo, a multi-cloud platform for Kubernetes. In this video we will explain how to create Amazon Basic Cluster. On the Gripo dashboard, click on the plus button and then click on Create. Here look for the Amazon and click on the specific cluster you want to make. Here I am making Basic Cluster. Here a form will open. Fill the form followed by the cluster name. Select Secret. Select Region. Select version. Amazon account ID will automatically selected. Node size. Select service roles. Node count. Select node roles. VPC. Subnet. Security group. And click on Create Cluster tab. See, cluster has been successfully created. And everything is running smoothly. See, the node pool is creating. And now showing active now. Gripo provides very easy ways to access your Kubernetes cluster. You can access cluster using kubectl or K9s from your browser. For accessing the kubectl or K9s, click on the dashboard, then click on the total cluster and then click on the terminal button. First, we will access kubectl. Click on the kubectl tab, then directly you will access to the kubectl browser. Enter the commands you require and get results through command line. Now click on the K9s tab and you will get through the K9s browser. Enter the commands you require and get results through command line. See how easy the Gripo is to access anything what you want in one platform. For accessing the app management, first click on the cluster tab under the management tab and click on the three dots in front of the specific cluster and click on apps management. You can also access the app management by clicking on the applications under the management tab and click on app management. Now see the overview by clicking on app overview tab. You can also check the events by clicking the events tabs under the management tab. You can also install and uninstall any software which was taking too much time and coding, but from the Gripo portal this is only possible with few clicks. Now see how we will install any random software very easily with only few clicks. For installing, go to the applications under the cluster management tab. Click on the three dots in front of specific cluster and click on applications. Here you will see many applications which you can install. Click the application which you want to install and fill the form followed by the name and version. And click Deploy. See, the app is successfully installed. We will try another application. It is also installed successfully. Now let's delete the both applications which we have installed. See, very easily with few clicks the application has been uninstalled successfully. Finally, here we will show how the cluster will delete very easily. And it's deleted successfully. Click the link below for more instructions videos. Thanks for watching Gripo.